there's not one specific right way to put together a drum set. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are finishing up our series on how to put together a drum set. Over the past month we've talked about individual pieces, and today we're bringing it all together. So I do want to say there's not one specific right way to put together a drum set. There's traditions and there's things that might work more ergonomically, but there's not necessarily one right way. Experiment and find what works for you and your body. The drums really depend on how your body is working and how it moves, because that's what you got to do to move around fluidly. So experiment. Traditionally, snare goes here, kick here, hi-hat here, rack tom, floor tom. Then you have your cymbals. Ride goes here, crash goes here. If you have a secondary crash or a secondary ride, I have my Rivet ride and I love this thing. That goes over here. I use it as kind of a crash ride type of auxiliary thing. And that's pretty much it. So start getting it together and go play some awesome music. I'll see you guys next week.